Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? I am greeting you. My name is Teacher Turatsinze Abdul. In today's video, we are going to learn the most useful verbs in English language. If you are new on this YouTube channel, make sure you are subscribed, like, share and comment. Bagore namwe bagabo ndabasuhuje, nitwa Turatsinze Abdul. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga ururimi rw'Icyongereza, aho turi buze kwibanda ku nshinga zikunda gukoreshwa cyane mu rurimi rw'Icyongereza iyo turimo turaganira mu buzima bwa buri munsi. Niba utarakora subscribe, yikande nonaha mbere yuko dutangira kugira ujye ubona buri video yose twauploadinze, kandi mbibutse yuko ku bantu bifuza kwihugura mu rurimi rw'Icyongereza cyangwa se ururimi rw'Igifaransa, munyandikira aho hasi munyandikire kuri nimero mubona aho hasi muri screen, ahasigaye dutangire tubakurikirane by'umwihariko. Waba uri mu Rwanda cyangwa se imahanga, turagukurikirana nta kibazo twifashishije uburyo bw'ikoranabuhanga. To chase each other, kwirukankanaho. Policemen and thieves chased each other all night. Policemen and thieves chased each other all night. Ibisambo n'abapolisi birukankanyeho ijoro ryose. The children are chasing each other in the road. The children are chasing each other in the road. Abana bari kwirukankanaho mu muhanda. Let's chase each other. Let's chase each other. Reka twirukankaneho. To fight against each other, guhangana. To fight against each other, guhangana. They have been fighting each other for 2 hours. They have been fighting each other for 2 hours. Bamaze amasaha abiri bari guhangana. They have been fighting each other for 2 days. They have been fighting each other for 2 days. Bamaze iminsi ibiri bahangana, na n'ubu baracyahangana. Why we fight against each other every day? Why we fight against each other every day? Why we fight against each other every day? Kubera iki buri munsi duhangana? To fight against. To fight against. Kugwanya. Government fights against rebels. Government fights against rebels. Ubuyobozi bugwanya inyeshamba. Let's fight against them. Let's fight against them. Reka tubagwanye. Let's fight against those bad people. Reka tugwanye abo bantu babi. To fight for, kugwanirira. To fight for, kugwanirira. I will fight for you. Nzakugwanirira. They fight for us. Baratugwanirira. We need to fight for our nation. We need to fight for our nation. Dukeneye kugwanirira igihugu cyacu. To speak for, kuvugira. To speak for, kuvugira. I am speaking for my people. I am speaking for my people. Ndimo ndavugira abantu banjye. I am speaking for myself. I am speaking for myself. Ndimo kwivugira. Stop speaking for them. Stop speaking for them. Rekeraho kubavugira. To speak to, kuvugisha. To speak to, kuvugisha. I am speaking to you. Ndimo kukuvugisha. He is speaking to me. He is speaking to me. Arimo kumvugisha. Speak to them. Speak to them. bavugishe. To mention, gukomoza. To mention, gukomoza ku kintu runaka. Don't forget to mention them in the meeting. Ntiwibagirwe kubikomozaho mu nama. Let me mention them before I forget them. Let me mention them before I forget them. Reka mbikomozeho mbere yuko mbyibagirwa. They mentioned on our problem in the interview. They mentioned on our problem in the interview. Bakomoje ku kibazo cyacu mu kiganiro. They mentioned on our problem in the interview. Bakomoje ku kibazo cyacu mu kiganiro. To sympathize. To sympathize, kwifatanya n'umuntu mu kintu runaka, abe mu kababaro cyangwa se mu byishimo, ariko akenshi better bikunze kuba ari mu kababaro. Example: I sympathize with you on your loss. Ndi kumwe nawe mu gihombo cyawe. I sympathize with you on your loss. Ndi kumwe nawe mu gihombo cyawe. Ni nko kuvuga ngo I am with you on your loss. Ndi kumwe nawe mu gihombo cyawe. I sympathize with you on your loss. Ndi kumwe nawe mu gihombo cyawe. Cyangwa se ukavuga ngo I got you. It means uri ku ruhande rwe. Let's go and sympathize with them on the death of their parents. Let's go and sympathize with them on the death of their parents. Reka tugende tujye kwifatanya nabo ku rupfu rw'ababyeyi babo. Reka tugende tujye kwifatanya nabo ku rupfu rw'ababyeyi babo. To talk behind the back of somebody. To talk behind the back of somebody. Ni ukunegura umuntu. They talk behind my back. They talk behind my back. Baranegura. Iyi mpine ya sa na ba isobanuye somebody. Mu Kinyarwanda somebody ni umuntu runaka utavuzwe izina, cyangwa se something. Something ni ikintu runaka kitavuzwe izina. Yo ibihagarariwe na STH. STH bivuze something, ikintu runaka kitavuzwe izina. I need somebody here. Hari umuntu nkeneye hano. Somebody is here. Hari umuntu uri hano. There is something which is missing. There is something which is missing. Hari ikintu kiri kubura. I need something here. Hari ikintu nkeneye hano. Ntabwo wavuze izina ryacyo. Inshinga ya nyuma dufite ni to love each other. Gukundana. To love each other. Gukundana. We love each other. Turakundana. They love each other. Barakundana. Let us love each other like brothers. Reka dukundane nk'abavandimwe. Let us love each other like brothers. Reka twongereho inshinga ya bonisi to help each other. Gufashanya. To help each other. Gufashanya. We must help each other every single day. Tugomba gufashanya buri munsi. We must help each other every single day. Tugomba gufashanya buri munsi. If you need peace, you must help each other like a family. If you need peace, you must help each other like a family. Niba mukeneye amahoro, mugomba gufashanya nk'umuryango. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and comment.